In a clash of tech titans, Meta, the parent company of Facebook, is gearing up to launch its newest app, Threads, which aims to compete with Twitter. The app, linked to Instagram, promises to revolutionize text-based conversations. As the battle heats up, Mark Zuckerberg of Meta and Elon Musk, the owner of Twitter, engage in a not-so-friendly rivalry, even agreeing to a physical fight. With these dynamics in play, the stage is set for an intriguing showdown in the social media landscape. Meta's Threads app, now available for pre-order on the Apple App Store, presents users with a dashboard reminiscent of Twitter's interface. Described as a text-based conversation app by Meta, Threads seeks to provide a platform where communities can come together to discuss a wide range of topics, both present and future. Taking a swipe at Meta's new app, Elon Musk sarcastically praises Twitter's management, implying that they are more sensibly operated. Concurrently, Twitter announces plans to move its popular user dashboard, TweetDeck, behind a paywall, a move aimed at driving subscriptions to their service, Twitter Blue. While Musk limits the visibility of tweets, citing concerns over data scraping, Meta's Threads app appears to offer a refreshing alternative. The app is expected to be free, allowing users unrestricted access to posts and conversations. It boasts a familiar interface, closely resembling Twitter's design, making the transition seamless for those seeking a new social media experience. Threads has the potential to become Twitter's most significant threat to date. With Meta's resources and the backing of the Instagram platform, Threads taps into an existing user base of hundreds of millions. Unlike other Twitter imitators, Meta is not starting from scratch, offering a compelling advantage. Mark Zuckerberg's history of borrowing and innovating. Mark Zuckerberg has a track record of taking ideas from other companies and successfully implementing them. Examples such as Meta's Reels and Stories demonstrate the company's ability to adapt and evolve. With Meta's penchant for absorbing successful features from other platforms, Threads could emerge as a genuine alternative to Twitter. As Meta's Threads app enters the scene, a captivating rivalry between Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk unfolds. With the battle lines drawn, users await the launch of Threads, envisioning a fresh social media experience. While Twitter responds with moves such as TweetDeck's paywall, the ultimate outcome remains uncertain. Will Threads successfully lure disenchanted users away from Twitter, or will Twitter's loyal base withstand the challenge? Only time will tell which platform emerges victorious in this intriguing social media showdown.